In today's video tutorial, we're gonna walk through how to fix TikTok features missing. It's really a simple process, so make sure to watch the full tutorial until the end of the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss any helpful tutorials in the near future. So first things first, head over to the TikTok app and go to your profile. And this section, what we need to do is tap on the three horizontal lines and choose settings and privacy. Once there, go ahead and scroll down to find the free up space. Make sure in this space you have to clear all the caches and the downloads that are unnecessary here. You just have to tap on the clear. Now let's go to home, go to the settings. Now what we need to do is scroll down to find the general and iPhone storage. And here, go ahead and find the TikTok app. Once there, tap on offload. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.